just on your phone.
Right. Plug it in first, start there.
I think so. That was the last thing to unplug.
And we know the two big ones. So it's up by the plugs, the black tape.
Actually, that gives us a good reference too on how it goes in. I wonder if they have it over that wire. Oh, yeah, good click. Yeah, good click. How to unplug it?
Yeah.
We can hot glue that shit back together too.
You'll be alright, we'll test first.
Yeah. Probably missing a lot of this.
I know.
Probably should go over this side.
Yeah, you just keep there, slide her back. Just do it sideways. You're good there. Don't put your head so far in it. Still good.
Me? Oh, the camera? Yeah. I'm an engineer, not a fucking videographer.
I'll fuck your life in so many ways.
Hey, this one doesn't feel right. Should now feel proper.
You're not in there, let me see
It feel good? Let's turn it around, Bob. Oh, wait, hold on. Leave it out here a little bit for me.
You got it.
Yeah, it's. I was hoping more for the camera than anything.
Behind the hose, yeah.
On this one, I think I do.
Yeah, just plug it in with you.
Okay, Bob. I think you're gonna put it on there. I'm gonna line you up on the back.
That's in there. Mine's in, just push yours in.
We gotta move one of these pins if you remember.
Just push it. Do what you gotta do. Push the pin at the bottom there.
Just want to get one started at least.
Do the pin out. Just push it. Push it around there. You got it. Push down. Push the pin right there. You got it. Push down. Push down.
It's just not quite there. Lift yours up a little bit. I'm gonna hold down mine. Lift yours
Mine's
up.
up. Mine's at the top. All right, we'll put yours in. I'll put mine in.
Yeah. I think that'll be easy.
All right, put yours in. I'll get it. Put yours in.
Nice.
Oh, that's a hot. Well, move your fingers. We can smash again. Don't push back here. So I don't want to use that. Just get yours in. I gotta line these up.
This one is this here. Yeah, I think. Here, come around here. That way I don't break your board.
Yeah, mine just leave this one.
One of them, when we got it off, was a bear.
They're all bad.
But if you pull it around, you can get it. You got it?
No,
That
I'm
felt
gonna grab
good?
it.
No,
I'm
not
gonna
bad?
grab a pair of pliers.
Okay.
So anyway, it's in, but now it's ready to be plugged in.
I think everything's plugged in. We gotta get those nuts on that board. You don't want to start them at all, just to put them on there. All right, let's see if there are any wires that are out and about. Or you just did that? You just
No, I
did that?
just don't think that. I don't think there is.
I mean, everything looks okay.
But it would come on before. I can't remember what all it didn't do. It just
It wouldn't weld or it wouldn't cut and it wouldn't do the other thing it's supposed to do. Like all the stuff that it was made to do, it didn't do any of that.
Right, we'll see what it does now with this.
Oh, it's on fire.
Yeah,
It caught on fire.
good start.
Yeah. That was 100% fire. Do it again.
Right, we gotta see where it's at.
It was on the transformer.
Glasses, whatever. It might explode again. So there's something else in the system.
That was probably fucking that transformer up. Right.
Why it's fucking in.
Let me make sure.
Come down low with the camera. Grab it. Just take it out of there and bring it down. Yeah, because nothing was powering up here. But yeah. I don't think we're good.
Oh, it's gonna have to come down lower, Bob. Hold on.
Just hold it while we do it. Just grab it out of the fucking holder and hold it down there. Let's turn it on.
Well, I mean, why would we buy all this shit if we were just
Because
gonna
now
hold
it
it?
needs to be mobile so we can get all the fucking close-up shit. Now you're fucking... There we go.
Oh, it melted something in half, I think.
Nothing's smoking now,
No.
but nothing's coming on here.
And boy, it looks like a... Huh.